Hello everyone, welcome to Pi for You. Today we are going to see something about variables and assignments. So first I'll type now. Variables. A variable in Python represents named location that refers to a value and whose values can be used and processed during program run. That is, I can assign a variable that's A and it can hold some value, like I'm choosing now integer value that is of 20. When I want to access this 20 in my program, I can use it anywhere in the program. So I'm just printing A. The value of A will be printed, that is the variable which contains a numeric value 20 which is assigned earlier can be accessed. So it will be even more clear. This is the variable A. Sorry, variable A value C 20. It is not only can assign the numeric data type but also can assign string data type. I'm using the second variable, that is a B. So string should be started with quotation marks. I'm using double quotation now. Now I'm going to print this is the variable B value, comma B. Do you see? The variable A, which is assigned to numeric value 20, can be accessed in the program. I'm using print function, so it can be accessed inside. Then the variable B, which holds the string value, can be accessed in the program in print statement. So once the program has compiled, which means if it is executed, you can directly access in the interpreter mode. A, which holds 20, and B, which holds string value. This is static assignment. So variables, this is static assignment. So static assignment, which is not changed after a program run. Now I'm going to change the value of A. In the second line, A is equal to, so first it is integer. Now I'm changing into float value, that is 4.4567. So this is a float value. So when I execute line number, so this is line number 1, line number 2, and line number 3, and line number 4, and this is my line number 5. My line number 1 will be assigned the value 20 to the variable A, and when it executes the second line, that is 4.4567, this automatically changes the value which was stored already in the first line. If I execute this program, the value of A will be printed as 4.457 and B value, it is not changed yet. So this is called dynamic assignment. So static assignment will be just holding one value throughout the program, but dynamic assignment changes the value after it has assigned to the new value. Dynamic assignment. Dynamic assignment. So next we are going to discuss about multiple assignment. So multiple assignment. Multiple assignment. So multiple assignment is nothing but the same procedure. You can assign a value in a variable in a single step. Say for example, I have to assign the value 100 to the variables P, Q, R. To assign, I'm using assignment operator, that is equal to. To assign 100 to each of these variables, I need to use the value, that is 100. Okay, I'm printing now. So this is a variable p value, and this is the variable q value, and I'm printing this is the variable r value, comma r. So the variable first prints the value from p, then q, then r. This is my line number 6. When I run this program, it assigns 100 to the variable p, and 100 to variable q, and 100 to variable r. Yes, but in this the number of lines are increasing because you are assigning the same value 100 to the variable p, q, and r. To make it even more easier, we can just add in single line, that is, so I'm removing these lines. P is equal to q is equal to r is equal to 100. So when I run this, it is assigned. So this is called multiple assignment, and that's it for today, variables and assignments. Thank you guys, thank you for watching.